Good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. As you know, student block number 24 is going on, and in the previous lesson plan, we read about different type of road signs and signals and the road marking. Different signals and different signs give us guidance and directions how to move on the road, when to move, where to move, and where not to move, when to stop. Yes, all these things we read in the previous chapter, and today we are going to read about different kinds of rules. So this is our today's topic, different kinds of rules. This is block 24, lesson plan 3. Keywords for today's class, students: safety rules, pedestrians, cyclist and driver. Resources for today's class: content book, notebook, workbook. Students, how do traffic light and traffic sign help us? Do we need to follow any of the traffic sign or traffic rule? What is the need? And how do they help us? Traffic light help us when it turns red, need to stop, and when it turns into orange, we should get ready, and when it turns into green, we should go, we should move, right? So this way the traffic signal help us, and the traffic signs also, it give us the guidance or the directions where to move, where not to move, and which turn will about to come. So this how these traffic signs and signal help us, and we must follow these traffic signs and signals. And today we are going to read about many of the rules, the different kinds of rules, how to move on the road. Today we will learn about the safety rules for the pedestrians. Pedestrians means the people who are walking on the road, and for the cyclists, for the drivers on the road. So this is our today's aim, student, to list some rules for road safety for pedestrians, cyclists and drivers. Means today we are going to read about some safety rules for the people who are pedestrians, cyclists and drivers. So now it is time for action. We will do an activity. For this activity you can take the help of your parents. Means as this is a group activity, as you are at home, so you can take help of your siblings or your parents. So I am giving you 3-4 situations. You will read this situation and you will draw a table like this in your notebook: pedestrian, cyclist and driver. You will write like this and divide into 3 parts. And after reading these situations, you will write the rules which are applicable for the pedestrian, you will write here, and which are applicable for cyclist, you will write here, and according to the driver. Yes, students, now look at the screen. The situation is on your screen. The first situation: for a pedestrian, Nita has to cross a busy road to reach the other side. A lot of vehicles are going from both the sides of the road. What should she do? Following which safety rules will help her? The next situation: for a cyclist, Rahul has to ride his bicycle on the main road to reach the chemist shop nearby. Is there anything he can use to protect himself? What should he keep in mind while riding his bicycle? Situation for a driver: Akku has to drive his bus from outside the school and a hospital. What safety rules should he keep in mind? Which ones should he follow? So now it is time for the analysis part. Now we are going for the discussion. The first question is, what safety rules should be followed by a pedestrian, a cyclist or a driver? Yes, which rule should be followed? As you read about all these things in the previous chapter also. So as you have made the table in your notebook, I hope you all have written your answer in that as I have written. Means which rule should be followed by a pedestrian? The meaning of the pedestrian is the people who are walking, जो पैदल यात्री होते हैं, should cross the road from zebra crossing, should walk on the footpath. Means whenever the pedestrian want to cross the road, he should use the zebra crossing or should walk on the footpath, और footpath का use उनको करना चाहिए. The cyclist, for the cyclist, he should wear a helmet, should not leave the handles while riding, और riding करते हुए he should not remove his hands. Driver, which rule should be applicable for a driver? Should wear a seat belt. Seat belt उसको हमेशा wear करनी चाहिए. Should not talk on phone and should drive on left side. Should follow road signs. And these all the pedestrian, cyclist and driver, they must use the left side while moving on the road. Next question is, students, what can cause accident for a cyclist, pedestrian, driver Why? And suggest what safety measures people can take on the road. Yes, for the cyclist, a cyclist must wear the helmet whenever they are moving on the road and should not leave his hands from the he should not remove his hands from the handles. It may cause an accident for him. So, and these are the safety measures, that he should wear the helmet and should not leave his hands. The next, for the pedestrian whenever they want to cross the road, they always use the zebra crossing or the footpath. And when the light turns get red, if people still trying to cross the road, they may get harmed by other oncoming vehicles. So on that time they should stop and wait. The next, for the drivers, the drivers always use the seat belt, and they should slow their speed whenever there is a school zone or any crowded area is there. Student, now it is time for the higher order thinking question. The question is this: why do different people on the road follow different safety rules? Yes, student, read the question again. Why do different people on the road follow different safety rules? Yes, people mainly either drive, are pedestrian or passengers on the roads. The dangers for each are different. A pedestrian may get hit by a vehicle, so she has to be careful while walking. A driver may hit a car or people, so she has to be careful while driving. Rules for each are different. Following a rule made for a driver will not help a pedestrian. We all need to look for the traffic signal and other road sign on the road and understand what they mean to follow, what they show. And one similar rule for the all, like the cyclist, the pedestrian and the driver. What is that? They all should move on the left side of the road. उनको road की left side में ही move करना चाहिए. Now it is time for your worksheet. You will do S3 on page number 42 in your workbook. Open S3. It is given on page number 43 in your workbook, student. The first question is, write some rules that we should follow on roads for our safety. You will write here some of the safety rules which we should follow on the road. The second question, what can cause accident on the roads for the following people? What can they do to avoid road accident? Means here you will write which can cause accident on the road for the pedestrian, cyclist, drivers. And what can they do to avoid road accidents? Means how do they prevent these road accidents? You will write here. Question number 3, write one rule that a cyclist must follow on the roads but not a driver. Why? Means here you will write about the one rule that must be followed by a cyclist, but it is not important, but it is not necessary. Means there is no need to follow by a driver. And why? As for example, helmet must be worn by a cyclist, but there is no need that a helmet should be worn by a driver which is driving a car. Now what will be your homework for today's class, student? You will do practice question number 4 and 6 which is given on page number 48 in your content book. Question number 4 is, why should we follow road safety rules? You will write why should we follow the road safety rule, and the question number 6, what rules should pedestrian follow on the road and why? You will write the rules about for the pedestrian here and why these rules should be followed by a pedestrian. Now student, I hope the concept is clear to you. What is the today's topic? Different kinds of rules, and we have read and learned about all the rules which are followed by a cyclist, a pedestrian or the drivers. Now student, be ready for your next class, the resources for next class, your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.